Hi, my name is Maria, and I'm going to be speaking about the importance of defining quality for program stakeholders. So, what is the importance of defining quality? It is very important to define what quality means so that program stakeholders understand what quality looks like from a staff to participant point of view. Understanding quality standards serve as a way to assess specific activities a program may be doing well on, as well as others that may need improvement. Understanding the importance of state standards gives set expectations and provides information that may help in any decision-making process. By getting step-by-step descriptions, along with examples on how to implement quality standards, programs will ensure they are working towards addressing all social, physical, and emotional needs of students they serve. On my website, you can find a list of the 12 quality standards for expanded learning in California, along with a link that takes you to a full pamphlet with step-by-step descriptions on what these standards look like in action. From this list of 12 standards, there were two that stood out to me the most. The first was active and engaged learning. This standard means providing activities that are active, meaningful, and engaging, with learning methods that promote collaboration and expand student horizons. Providing a program design that includes activities that are hands-on and meaningful is important because active learning engages students at a deeper level when compared to standard readings and lectures. Active learning allows students to participate with their peers and engage in hands-on activities where they play specific roles throughout their learning process. In addition, these learning activities include group work and allow students to work together towards a common goal, and collaboration has many benefits as well. These benefits include building valuable skills that will prepare students to participate in a globalized economy, as well as making learning more meaningful. Being able to collaborate with others is a skill many employers look for in today's job market. It has been reported by professionals that working with others has shown to result with better products and outcomes, in contrast to individuals working alone. In addition, working with peers can be fun, and positive interactions can be good for developing students. Students are able to help each other out, make memories, and have fun as they actively work together, learn, and explore. Another quality standard that stood out to me was clear vision, mission, and purpose. According to the quality standards for expanded learning in California, having clear vision, mission, and purpose means that a program has a clearly defined vision, mission, goals, and measurable outcomes that reflect a broad stakeholder input and drive program design, implementation, and improvement. This standard is important because the program should have a clear view and understanding of the community and people they are serving. By having a clear understanding of the people they are serving, program coordinators can align their services to meet the needs of their stakeholders. For example, after-school programs can help tackle achievement gaps that are presented between white students and African American and Latino students by increasing homework completion, engagement in school, and ultimately raising graduation rates and test scores. After-school programs can also combat food insecurity among children by providing nutritious snacks and meals, which are also important during the summer months when schools are out of session. Lastly, after-school programs can serve by providing working parents with peace of mind knowing that their child is in a safe and supervised place during the out-of-school hours. Students may sometimes be faced with macro factors outside of their control, but after-school programs can help aid those issues by providing a safe space where students can socially and academically succeed.